The Pixel 10 Pro XL is only days away, and this year's model is shaping up to be Google's most ambitious device yet, with 10 major changes that stand out. First, the camera system is taking a bold leap with ProRes zoom up to 100x, a massive jump from the 30x cap on the Pixel 9 Pro. Competing brands like Samsung and Xiaomi have offered 100x zoom for years, but their results are often unimpressive. Google's strength lies in AI processing, and if it can deliver clean, detailed shots, this feature could finally make high-zoom photos meaningful rather than a gimmick. The second major upgrade is Camera Coach, a Gemini-powered assistant that offers live feedback as you shoot. Whether it's framing, lighting, or angle, the AI steps in to guide you toward better results in real time. Third, Google is rolling out Pixel Snap, its own version of magnetic charging. Unlike earlier rumors that suggested special cases would be required, the magnets are now built directly into the phone, making Google the only major competitor to Apple in this space. Fourth on the list is Telemacro Photography. For the first time, the telephoto lens can double as a macro shooter, letting you capture detailed close-ups alongside the ultra-wide option. Fifth, every buyer of the Pixel 10 Pro, Pro XL, and Pro Fold will get 1 year of Google AI Pro free, including Gemini Pro Access and 2 terabytes of cloud storage, valued at around $240, while the standard Pixel 10 gets 6 months. The sixth change comes with connectivity. According to Evan Blass, all US Pixel 10 models may drop the SIM tray entirely, offering only dual eSIM support. Yet leaked CAD renders and dummy units show a SIM slot, suggesting this may be a US-only decision. Globally, a physical SIM support might remain intact. Seventh, despite a larger 5,200 mAh battery and the new Tensor G5 chipset built on TSMC's node, official specs still list the same 24-hour battery life claim as last year. Eighth is the introduction of Magic Q, an advanced predictive AI that expands on Pixel Sense. By recognizing context, it surfaces relevant actions automatically. Google insists this runs in a secure, isolated environment, a claim that will face scrutiny once in users' hands. Ninth, display performance sees a noteworthy boost with PWM refresh rate doubled to 480 Hz. It doesn't match some Chinese brands, pushing 1900 Hz, but it brings Google closer to Apple and Samsung in reducing flicker and eye strain. And the 10th and final upgrade is in performance and storage options. The Pro XL eliminates the 128GB base model, starting instead at 256GB and scaling to 1TB. Wired charging ticks up slightly from 37 watts to 39 watts, with wireless speeds climbing from 23 watts to 26 watts. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is expected to launch at Google's fall event later this month, with availability beginning in October at the usual flagship pricing.